Hello everyone, Kirti here. I still remember the day when my husband and I got the results of a test which I had underwent during the fifth month of my second pregnancy, triple marker. A test which was done to check if the baby has any anomaly and which is usually done for most of the women, those were about 30 years. We were worried when we got a call from the testing lab to collect the reports and consult the gynecologist as soon as possible. The moment we entered our doctor's room, she told us that the report is positive, and she got a call from the testing lab stating the same. She said that we may probably have to go for a detailed testing, and if that too turned to be positive, we may have to drop our baby. It was the fifth month of mine. I have started feeling the movements of my baby. I could hear his voice. I could even feel the joy he has when he gets something good to eat. We were really shattered. We didn't know what to do and had a question: what next? How would we tell this to others, those who are around us? And especially, how would we tell this to our firstborn who has already started talking to his little baby and has named him Gugu? But keeping all this aside, we thought to be more practical and we decided to go further with the test. Later on, we went to another hospital for the test in Edapal, and meanwhile we were waiting for the result. We did have a chance to meet a few other people who had faced the same dilemma, but they have not waited for the results and have already terminated the baby. But then they said that later on, when the results came out, it was negative and they still regretted for being patient. Our results came out, and we went to meet the doctor there who has done our test, where she said that the result was negative. We were so happy when she said that there is nothing to worry and to go on with this pregnancy. But while returning back to our hometown, we both had a question: can we really go ahead? And then we decided to uh, go and take a second opinion. And this time we never ever had a second thought. We just went to Dr. Bhavin Balakrishnan, an infertility specialist. We know him personally, so we thought we will definitely go ahead and talk to him on this. And the moment when he saw my blood reports, he said it is absolutely wrong and we don't have to go for any further test and to just carry on with this pregnancy. We were so happy because we believed him completely, and that was a faith which we had on him. And it was his approach towards pregnancy which made me, or which still makes me, tell to the mom to be women that pregnancy is a small piece of cake. It was so cool to go and meet him for the checkups, where he used to tell us about parenting rather than telling us the procedure of delivery. I still remember the time when we used to go for checkup during my ninth month. People look at me like an alien with my big baby bump, and they used to be really worried and ask me whether if I have come for the delivery or is it the time for me to for a labor pain. But later on it just went on really well, and I remember the day when I had my fluid leakage and I told my husband one thing, that it's time for Gugu's release. It was a Sunday. We went together to the hospital, and the labor room was vacant as it was a holiday, and I had a duty doctor who is going to take my delivery. Everything was going really well and I was completely prepared to go on with the normal delivery. But then it was when my duty doctor told me that there is a problem with the head positioning of my baby and I may have to go for a C-section if required. I was really disturbed, and I could feel that my ECG started fluctuating. But then there comes my very dear doctor, and he did a checkup, and he just clearly stated that it's a simple case of normal delivery. And he did ask me that do I want him to stay back, or will I be able to manage by myself. And it was then clear for me that there is nothing else than a normal delivery which I'll be doing, and I would not at all prefer a surgical procedure. Maybe that is a faith which we had in our doctor, the faith we had in ourselves, and most importantly, the faith Gugu's brother had in him, that we now have our second little one who's going to be 2 years during this September. So this is another experience which I had, and I would like to tell people that those who are going to be mother, that it is quite simple. And to those husbands, just be with your wife, which would make them feel really happy, and make this journey very easy. Thank you so much.